401k to Gold IRA rollover. Allowed gold investing. A 401k was viewed as the original idea of benefits consultant Ted Benna. Benna had come to the conclusion that the provision may be used to generate a simple employee retirement plan with tax benefits right after Section 401k of the Internal Revenue Code introduced in the late 70s. In the modern society, more than 90% of private employers possess a 401k option included with their benefits package. They are considered one of the most common retirement vehicles within the United States. Employees' pre-tax paycheck deductions are usually used to fund a 401k plan, since this is practically a defined contribution plan. A 401k is usually provided to private for-profit employers. Government workers possess 457B plans, and nonprofit companies may include 403B plans. Despite the fact that your options are limited to what your plan provider offers, 401k plans can also include individual stocks, individual bonds, corporate and government, certificates of deposits, CDs, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. One of the most important limitations associated with a 401k would be the fact that the investment options are limited to what a plan provider offers. If you choose this plan, you won't be able to invest in many asset classes. Most of the 401k money is placed into mutual funds. To put it simple, you can't invest in physical gold bullion through a 401k plan. Buying stocks in gold mining companies or a mutual fund that includes mining company stocks is the easiest method to invest in gold through a 401k, but not the best way to secure your retirement portfolio. We can name this method as purchasing paper gold, which is far less desirable than owning physical gold inside of a gold IRA. Get your guide now by clicking on the link below to learn more about how to transfer your IRA or roll over your 401k into gold.